nation, members of their cabinet. Kinakabahan sa ato ya ibigay sa Minister Kabor Dr. Abiy Ahmed ang Homeland Republic of Kenya, President Kabor Uhuru Kenyatta berdiri atas Indonesia juga boleh Kenya lalu dalam saya terlalu di mana Kabor Kenya lalu berdiri atas lalu terpakai down, and then we will come back to our sixth and come down to today's program.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
They are now receiving gifts of
That was very nice. There we go. Well done. How are you, sir? You remember when I came to visit you, you were telling me you were going to finish this. So you've done it. Not only this, the electric line. I'm done, but you didn't do it. I'm waiting. I have.